Stop waiting for the phone to ring. It's the slow season and the big players are out there. They're spending thousands of dollars on Google and Facebook ads. And they're driving those costs through the roof. If you're a small business, you can't outspend them, but you can outwork them. Today, I'm going to be handing you the blueprint to become a local authority in your area without an ad budget. We're going to be using a strategy that creates a snowball effect of referrals for your business that the big guys can't touch. So put your credit card away because we're doing this the good old fashioned way with some sweat equity. Now let's go. Welcome back. If you're new here, we are talking about time versus money. And if you don't have the budget to outspend your competition, not a worry. Let's get out there and outwork them. Today, we're talking about a secret weapon that most businesses ignore. They ignore it because they think it's outdated. They think it's a room of old guys sitting together drinking bad coffee. We're talking about your local chamber of commerce. Now, don't click off. Stick with me. I make $0 with this recommendation. I am not an affiliate of any kind. I am telling you to do this because it is the single most undervalued asset of any local business. Most people think of the Chamber of Commerce as a bunch of old guys just sitting around drinking coffee, talking about taxes. And well, sometimes it is, but if you look closer, it's actually a weapon for your business. This is one of our number one recommendations for new businesses. And we make no money by giving this recommendation. And why do we recommend it? Because right now, you have something that the big competitors, they don't have. They have money, you have time. They are too busy to shake hands. You aren't. This is where we flip the script. Before we even jump in and talk about networking, let's talk about Google. You want to rank number one in your city, right? Well, to do that, you need authority. You see, Google looks at who links to your website to see if you're trustworthy. A link from a local blog, it's okay. A link from your cousin's Facebook, completely useless. But a link from a .org or a chamber of commerce, that's pure gold. This is a highly coveted, high authority backlink. Just by joining, they put a link to your website on their website. This link juice signals to Google that you're a verified pillar of your community. This alone is worth the price of admission because it helps you rank everywhere else. But we aren't here for just internet points. We're here for the power players. When we join the chamber, we aren't just networking. We're entering a room filled with the leadership of your city, the mayors, the city council members, the owners of the biggest construction firms and real estate brokerages. Now, this is the snowball effect. Listen up. We're not here to sell to these people that you're networking with. Yes, that is a fringe benefit. That is a potential bonus. But what we're here for, we're here so that person mentions your name in their network. One connection here doesn't equal one lead. One connection here potentially equals access to hundreds of leads. You can become the guy or the girl that your city recommends. That is how you become a local hero. That is how you build up your local authority. All right, now here is another specific secret weapon. Once you are inside the gates, once you have infiltrated the local chamber of commerce, once you are in, look at their sponsorship opportunities. There will be a plethora of sponsorship opportunities. Many chambers will also allow you to send a dedicated email blast to their entire member list. And usually it's cheap, $25, $50. Think about that. For a couple $100, you can land directly in the inbox of every single business owner that's in the Chamber of Commerce. You can reach every single decision maker within your zip code. You're not fighting an algorithm on Instagram. You're in their email. You can offer a B2B service. You can offer local partnership or just introduce yourself as the new expert in town. This will be the highest ROI email that you send all year long. I can almost guarantee it. All right, I want to end on this. So, most people, they define referrals as sitting in their office, staring at the phone and hoping that past clients remember their name. That's a passive referral, and that is a slow death. I want you to chase active referrals. Your competitors are lazy. They are established. They are comfortable. They have to spend money because they refuse to spend time. You have the hunger. You have the time. Get into the chamber. Shake the hands. Send the emails. Do the work that they think is beneath them. Build your brand. Build and become the authority. Because once you do that, there literally is no ceiling as to how high you can grow. Thank you for watching. Next week, we're going to dive in a little bit deeper. We're going to spend a little bit more money, and hopefully, we're going to get a little bit more traction for your business. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can follow along as we continue to give you all the information so that you can beat your competitors regardless of their size. We're here to show you the tips and the tricks that will take you to the top. You just have to implement them. Make sure you subscribe. We're here every Saturday on YouTube, 9 a.m. Central. We'll see you there.